I just want to make trading as simple as possible for everybody and make sure that everybody has results. So I drew this little thing right here. And if you guys read correctly, these are stages everybody goes through in their life. Everybody. There's traders, people who start something new venture, like working out, anything that you start, everybody goes through this. And if you could understand this, you could get through anything in your life. Okay. So in the first stage, everybody gets excited. Like, oh my God, forex. Whoa, forex. I could make money by the click of a button. I could get the supercars, I could get the mansion, I could get everything in my life, right? And then it goes through this phase where people start understanding what's forex and understand that it's a lot of work to do. And this might take like probably 2-3 months, but after the first 3-4 months being excited, they see all the work that they got to do, they start like resenting it. It's like a challenge to them. They're like, damn, okay, so that means the money and all of that is not really easy. Damn, okay. And then the third one is crisis of meaning. They start losing accounts, they start blowing accounts, and they start like asking themselves, like, is this even meant for me? And then after that is either they choose to actually push through or they crash and burn. And crash and burn also means like you're not trading anymore. You took like 6 months, 3 months, 2 months off of trading. You thinking you're taking off of trading is just a way to recoup myself. So when I come back, nah. You crashed and burned. You gave up. There's no, I want to take my time to find myself type of bullshit, because in between that shit, you're not even improving yourself. So what are you doing? You're going down a downward spiral. You could either stay stagnant, which is not really stagnant. You either go backwards or you move forwards. And if you don't do anything, you're moving backwards. And then the fifth one, once you push through that crisis of meaning, once you understand why you lost, you blow an account, you like didn't do this good, you start getting the click. This is why I call the click, the ah moment, when you guys come back to me like, yo, bro, I didn't know it was this, like, this simple. It's like, yeah, bro, like, all you had to do is this. But damn, I didn't know that. Well, you had to go through this little crisis of meaning. If you don't go through that, you're never going to pass that stage on the fifth stage, which is informed optimism. Your evidence, the logic, the hard work that you've been through, the negative events that's been happening, all of that is now a catalyst for you to learn and push through. And it wasn't as bad as you thought, because now you're seeing progress. And the sixth stage is achievement, which I want everybody to reach at, and everybody can reach to that point. Let's go to an average trader. How and what do they do? Let's go right here. This is what they do, okay? And we all been through it. I've been through it. I'm not even gonna say like I didn't, because that would be a lie. But I got out of it. Everybody could get out of it, all right? So look, so step number one, you're here, right? Let's look left. Inform optimism. Oh yeah, bro, it's crazy, whoa. Step two, shit, this is a lot of work. Step three, bro, is this edge really my shit, bro? Like, is this really like my type of pattern? And then social media comes in play. Facebook, Instagram, social media, some friend of yours, some outside event comes in. Yo, bro, I have this crazy new edge that you need to, bro, I'm getting 90% win rate. Oh shit, for real? Well, let's go back again. Look at this. Step number one, what is it again? Uninformed optimism. You get super excited because it's a new thing. Step two, you go through the same process. You're like, oh shit, it's a lot of work. Is this meant for me? Another friend comes back, yo, I got like the trend line 3,000 that'll get you millions of dollars in 1 week. Well, you get hype again, and then you do it again and again and again and again. And this process right here, people do this for years. Like, they do this for years. Like, veteran trainers go through 3 to probably 7 years of doing this shit before they give up, and they don't even understand why. The reason why is because between this time, this crisis thing, they never try to learn about themselves. They never try to fix themselves. They always blame the outside events. And this is the area that you need to fix. And if you're in this place right now, it's fixable. And then once you fix it, you reach here, and then you start getting clicks. And then once you reach here, it's here.